Hello guys, so we are here again. So this is a simple bow tie. How to tie your bow tie. You can tie it by yourself. So the length is 70. So you make your pleat. Once you make your pleat, you make it about 7 as usual, or 5. Then you place it to tie from the back. You make a longer and a shorter part. Then you arrange your pleat, you tie it. The shorter one will be outside while the longer one will be inside. You tie it firmly so it will stay well on your head. You arrange it. You arrange it very well. Then you start folding. You fold it properly. Then you fold the two edges. You fold the two edges very well, very important. Then now use the smaller one to hold everything that you have folded. But in this case, this gele is not that long, so I have to manage it like that. So once you fold it, you twist the back. Then you now use your pin and hold it at the back. Hold it in a way that it won't fall up. You can use 2 or 1 pin depending on how you're able to manage the back. There is no mirror at the back for me to see what is going on, so I have to use 2 pins so it will not fall off from my back, from the back, so it won't fall up or disgrace me outside. So this is how you do it. Now once you are done, you bring out the gele that are stuck together. You unfold it and then you check where to use your pin on. Then you pin it. See the way I'm pinning it? Then you pin it very well. You pin it very well. You have to pin very well. Then you pin that side. Like I said earlier, the gele is not that long, so you have to pin it. It wasn't easy doing this because there is no mirror. I was just looking at the camera. So this one too, the same step is applicable to that one. What you did in the first one, that is what you're going to do. The gele is not long, so that is why it's coming out. Assuming that is a long gele, a longer shoke, it will stick. But even at that, the thing still came out nice. So at this point now, I'm using pin. I'll use pin to hold it. See the way I'm holding it with my pin. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button to always get notified anytime I post a new video. So back to our work. So you have to use a pin to hold it. Remember, what is applicable to the other one is also applicable to this one. So use a pin to hold it. This is a very simple style. You can rock it in your house. You can tie it for your Owembe event. You can tie it for. So you hold it firmly. You hold it tight. So guys, this is it. A very simple style. You can rock it anywhere. Church, event, burial, child dedication. Just use a pin to hold that side very well. Please don't forget, hit the notification button, subscribe, always get notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.